everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this matte lace and glossy lips nail. So if you want to see how I create this nail, then just keep on watching. So first I'm starting off with a top coated base, and then I'm taking this foil gel and I'm just painting it on in the form of a French. I just wanted the lace to stick only to the French part, so I'm putting this on, and then I cured it for 15 seconds under the lamp, and it's going to be sticky, so just be careful that you don't touch it or get any dust on there. So I'm just going in and taking this lace foil, and I'm just taking it and I'm cutting off a piece that I'll be using. So you'll see how one side is more matte and the other side is more glossy. You want the matte side to be on your nail and the glossy side to be facing up because you want the foil to transfer properly. So I placed it on as straight as I could, and then I'm going in with the silicone tool and I'm just kind of pressing it on. You're going to want to really press it on as smoothly as you can and make sure that you rub on every spot so that it transfers properly. You want to make sure all the edges are really on there. You can even go in with your finger. I find that helps sometimes a little bit easier to do it with your fingers. Make sure you're really pressing it on like I'm doing here. Whenever you lift it up, if it's not fully on there, like you'll see I'm taking it off now, like some of the edges didn't transfer, you can place it back on by lining it up with what's already there. You'll see your template basically left on the foil, so just place it back on, matching it up, and then just rub it on those spots to make sure that everything transfers fully. And here you'll see how it looks after I did that. So once that's fully cured, I'm going in with some red gel polish and I'm just drawing on 2 dots, and I'm making kind of like a heart, and then I'm wisping it out to kind of look like a bird that we used to draw when we were kids, and then thickening up the bottom of the top lip there, and then I'm drawing a rounded line underneath that to draw her bottom lip, and I'm thickening it up a bit so she has some volume, and I'm thickening up the top lip again. So I did draw a second one overlapping the lace part of it, and then I do fully cure, and then I take a matte top coat and I fully cure that for 60 seconds. Then I'm going in with some glossy top coat and I'm just tracing over the lips that we had drawn just so they look more glossy. I wanted like a matte and glossy vibe for this set, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going over everything with the glossy top coat. Make sure not to get any onto the matte, as little as possible, because you don't want it to be glossy in the places that are matte that you don't want it to be glossy. Once that's finished, you can fully cure it for 60 seconds and boom, there you have it. You have this beautiful lacy vampy nail. I love this nail so much. I just love a good lace moment. It's just so cute, and the lace foils with matte just makes it look so clean. I really hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you like me, don't forget to subscribe so you can see all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!